dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Okay, all of you understand your previous class? Yes, very good. I hope all of you done your homeworks. Yes, okay. In this today's class, we discussing about the continuation of nouns. Continuation of nouns. Okay, then here first I will ask question. What is noun? The previous class we already talk about what is noun. Okay, what is noun? Yes, noun is a name of a place, name of a person, place, animal, an animal or thing. Okay. Then in this class we discussing about what is there is mainly two type of nouns, common and proper nouns. Common and proper noun. Common and proper nouns. Mainly there are two kinds of nouns. Common and proper noun. Okay. Now we can discuss what is common noun and proper noun. Okay. Then nouns can be, look at your textbook, page number 4. Page number 4. Nouns can be of several types. Common nouns and proper nouns are two types of noun. Common noun and proper nouns are two type of nouns. Okay, first we can discuss about what is common noun. Common noun. What is common noun? Here in your textbook given a definition. A common noun is the general name given to a person, place, an animal or a thing. A common name is the general name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. A common name is a general name. What does it mean by general names? General name means കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ആളുകൾക്ക്, കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എല്ലാ ആളുകൾക്കും കൂടി കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്ന നെയിംസുകളാണിത് ജനറൽ നെയിംസ്. അതുപോലെ ജനറൽ പ്ലേസസിന് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ജനറൽ നെയിംസുകളാണ് എന്ത് ജനറൽ പ്ലേസസ്. ഓക്കെ, like that a common noun is the general name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay, here given some example for common nouns. Then you can start more. Then we can discuss the table. Read these examples of common nouns. Read these examples of common nouns. People. Man, woman, father, mother, actor, lawyer, plumber and potter. These are the people's name. Man, it's a common ആയിട്ട് ആളുകൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ് man. Then woman, common ആയിട്ട് പറയും woman, എല്ലാവരെയും ചേർത്ത്. There is no specification. Okay, woman. Father, mother, actor, lawyer, plumber and potter. Okay, these all common names. Then places: house, garden, school, park, temple, mosque, gurudwara, church. House, garden, school, park, temple, mosque. Okay, here these are the common places. There is no specific names of these places. Okay, this all common places. ഇതെല്ലാം common ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്ലേസുകളാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് common placesൽ വരുന്നത്. Okay, then next one is animal. Goat, donkey, leopard, rhinoceros, dove, sparrow, cockroach and wasp. Okay, these are the common names of animals. ഇതെല്ലാം animalsന്റെ common names ആണ്. There is no specific names. Last one is things. Jar, cucumber, mango, rose, bus, bag, pencil box and neck. These are common things names. There is no specific names. Okay, all of you read this table 2 or 3 times very carefully. Okay, then read 3 or 4 times. Okay, all of you understand what is common noun? Okay, next we can discuss what is proper noun. Proper noun. Second one is proper noun. Proper noun. Here is a definition for proper noun. A proper noun is the specific or particular name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. We always being a proper noun with a capital letter. Here is that a proper noun is the specific or particular name given to a person. ഒരു ആളുകൾക്കോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്ലേസസിനോ ആനിമൽസിനോ തിങ്സിനോ സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു നെയിംസ് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതെന്താണ് പ്രോപ്പർ നെയിമായിട്ട് നൗൺസ് ആയിട്ട് മാറും. ഓക്കെ, പ്രോപ്പർ നൗൺ is the specific or particular name, specific ആയിട്ട് particular names, name of to give to a person, a place, an animal or thing. We always, one thing also, we always being a proper noun with a capital letter. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും പ്രോപ്പർ നൗണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്ററിലായിരിക്കണം. We always being a proper noun with a capital letter. Okay, once again I will read the definition. A proper noun is the specific or particular name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay, all of you understand? Then after that there is a table, example for proper nouns. Read this table of proper nouns. Here, people's name. There is lots of people's particular specific names. Madhav, Navya, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan. These are the specific name of persons. This is the specific name of persons. Madhav, Navya, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, then places. Alanchi, Bhimtal, Madurai and India. Alanchi, Bhimtal, Madurai, India. These are the specific or particular names of a name of places. Okay, Alanchi is a village, Bhimtal is a town, Madurai is a city, India is a country. Okay, then animals. Maybe we giving names of our pets, specific names. Okay, that's animals. Bruno, Kitty, Balu, Shergan. This is the particular names we giving our animals name, pet names. Okay, last one is things. Alice Adventures in Wonderland. It's a book name. It's a book name, particular book name. The King, The Lion King film. Hindustan Times newspaper. Champak children's magazine. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള the names ബുക്സിൻ്റെ നെയിംസ് ആലിസ് അഡ്വഞ്ചേഴ്സ് ഇൻ വണ്ടർലാൻഡ്. then film name, particular films name ആണ് The Lion King. then Hindustan Times is a newspaper. Then Chambak, children magazine name is Chambak. Okay, all of you understand? Yes, once again I will read what is a proper noun. Common noun and a proper noun. Common noun is a general name given a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, then proper name is a specific name or particular name given to person, place, an animal or thing. Okay, all of you understand both the common and proper noun? Yes, very good. Then another table also, example for proper nouns. Days of the week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, then months of the years, February, April, June, September. Then festivals, Janmashtami, Bihu, Onam, Pongal. Then languages, English, Hindi, Urdu and Malayalam. These all proper examples for proper nouns. Then continents, oceans, seas, rivers and mountains. Then Asia, the Pacific Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Godavari, Mount Everest. These are the proper nouns, name of particular continents, oceans, seas, rivers and mountains. This is all examples for proper noun. Okay, next last one, mountain, monuments, building and towers. The Gateway of India, Mysore Palace, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. Okay, these are all examples for proper noun. All of you listen here. This all proper nouns starting with the capital letter. All of you listen. All proper nouns starting with the capital letter. Okay. Now, we can discuss the activities one by one. Okay. Now, we can discuss the activities one by one. Okay. Then first activity, exercise. Match these common nouns with their proper nouns. One has been done for you. Match these common nouns with their proper nouns. Here 1 to 6. Ivade first koduttundu common nouns. Then adinu correct aayittulla proper noun match cheyananu parnirikkunnathu. Okay. Match these common nouns with their proper nouns. Okay, first one, country. Here there is lots of names and you match with the country name. Okay, then country. First one is already done. What is Myanmar? Okay, first one is already done. Then second, continent. Here is a continent name. Here one is continent name. You read that the Mahabharata, Telugu, Eid al-Fitr, Africa, the Yamuna and Myanmar. Which one is continent name? Which one is continent name here? Yes, Africa. Africa. You match with the continent. Continent to Africa. Africa. Okay, you match continent with Africa. Okay. Then next one, book. Here a book name. I will read the proper noun. The Mahabharata, Telugu, Eid al-Fitr, Africa, the Yamuna and Myanmar. Which one is here book name? Which one is here book name? Yes, your answer is correct. The Mahabharata. Book. Mahabharata. You match a book with the Mahabharata. Okay. All of you wrote? Yes, very good. Then next one, festival. Festival. Here is a festival. Festival name. You match with that festival. Which one is festival here? The Mahabharata, Telugu, Eid al-Fitr, Africa, the Yamuna, Myanmar. Which one is festival here? Yes, Eid al-Fitr. Festival match with the Eid al-Fitr. Okay, then next language. Language, here's a language. You identify that language. The Mahabharata, Telugu, Eid al-Fitr, Africa, the Yamuna, Myanmar. Which one is the language? Here is a language. Yes, Telugu. This one is language. Telugu. Okay, then last one, river. Here is a river name. Which one is? Yes, the Yamuna. Last one is the Yamuna. Sixth one. Okay, the Yamuna. Okay, here first one continent Africa, then book the Mahabharata, then festival Eid al-Fitr, and language Telugu, and river the Yamuna. Okay, all of you wrote? I hope all of you wrote. Then next activity. Okay, next B activity. That is homework you do yourself. Okay, I will explain what is that. Fill in the blanks with proper nouns. Fill in the blanks with proper nouns. One has been done for you. Already one is done here. Then here you write common noun. Then you write here proper noun. I will read that common noun. Your best friend's name. Your best friend's name. Here already wrote a name, Mrudula Chako. Okay, then next, second one, your father name. You write here your father name here. Okay, then third one, your mother name. Third one, write your mother name. Fourth one, your favorite city in the country. You write your favorite city name. Okay, here. Then fifth one, name of the prime minister of your country. Name of prime minister of your country. You write here prime minister name. Then sixth one, name the name of the president of your country. Sixth one, name president name. Then once again I will read. First, second one, your father name. Third one, your mother name, and fourth one, your favorite city or country name, and fifth one, name the prime minister, and sixth one, write president name. Okay, all of you understand? Yes, very good. Then this B activity you do yourself. Then see also a homework. See also homework. I will explain what is the question. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in this sentence. The first sentence has been done for you. Here, underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Okay, common nounuകൾ underline ചെയ്യുകയും proper noun circle ചെയ്യുകയും ആണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay, first you read this sentence 3 or 4 times very carefully and understand what is the meaning of that sentence, and underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Okay, then I will read the sentence. First sentence, we went to the cinema to watch Incredibles 2. Then second sentence, Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Then third sentence, Rishabh went to the shop with his mother. Then fourth sentence, Anjum played basketball yesterday. Then fifth sentence, Surabhi saw many plants and trees with flowers in the park. And sixth sentence, Mumbai and Bengaluru are two of the busiest cities in India. Okay, maybe one sentence has have lots of common noun or 2 or more common nouns. Okay, you underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, I hope all of you understand what is common and proper nouns. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you.